rally car. That's a stinker.
Come check out the Driftworks then.
Alright, so it's currently 6 AM. I'm on my way to Ryan, pick him up. We're currently going to Driftworks in Birmingham. It's like a 3-hour drive. Going to be filming some cool cars today. Yeah, hopefully I'll be doing a decent behind the scenes. But yeah, let's head out to Ryan's and start this journey. Hey, this is heavy.
Fucking go for it with that. Look at your fingers good at it.
What the fuck was that? There's no way he gets up there. Oh, he might be going London. True. Alright, so we're down at Driftworks in Birmingham. We're just filming some of the cars that they're bringing to Gravity this year. Doing a slight feature for them and getting content for the Instagram. So what cars are you bringing to Gravity?
We're bringing the GT1 Inspired Lamborghini Murcielago with some genuine Le Mans writer engineering panels that we've basically adapted slightly for the road car. Bringing my BMW E46 Drift Car, which is something I've competed in for many years. Got my E30 M3 Track Car, which is an S65 Drenthe sequential sort of track car, quite a quick thing. My 964 Turbo, which is it's kind of called an RWB, but actually it's a Promo Deck car with an RWB kit that was done in Japan before it was shipped over. So the smooth fender, and especially as it's a 964 Turbo with 600 wheel horsepower now.
Yeah, it's quick, yeah, those cars will be coming to Gravity. Make sure you get your tickets if you are interested in seeing them. They're quite cool.
Come check out the Driftworks then.
We're about to film the cars. I don't think we've chosen actually what cars we're doing yet. We've got the 964. He was saying it was built in like 2006. It was imported from Japan. Yeah, it's like a smooth kit instead of like the body lines like smooth there, which is quite cool. And he uses it as a daily, which is fucking sick. Let's set up the camera. Get some filming time. Hiya, how are we looking, Ryan? I am a full-time YouTuber. I'm a vlogger. Should we do a mukbang? Let's do a Primark haul. That would be sick.
Primark haul?
Yeah. Right. I need to find a level ground. We're on a slope at the moment. It will do.
That's still on a slope.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Go inside.
Yeah, I think I've got everything. Oh, let's close the boot. Look at that rally car. What one's the easiest to get out first? Should we do the 964 first? Because it's just...
Yeah, that's out there. Do you want it in here or outside or what?
Maybe do a car in a different spot. So we'll do like a car in there, car in here, car outside.
So the Lambo generally looks all right here because it's got nice contrast against the orange floor.
I mean, yeah, if we move this out of the way, we can film that whilst that's sitting there. Do you know what I mean? Yeah? All right, we'll do that. Yeah, nice. Is there any chance we can move this forklift as well? Thank you. Yeah, so the cars we're filming, I'm taking pictures of. I'm talking to the camera, not you. Lamborghini S15, it's got a 2J in it. E30 M3, and did he say, oh, there's the 964 outside. What else? The E46. Now, let me show you. Let me show you something. Let me do something. Let me do. Look at that. That is fucking nuts. That is a... Yeah, V10. Is that a manifold? Headers. Fuck. 911 GT3, yeah. This is an R33 Skyline. Looking a bit worse for wear. 36, I don't know what they're doing with that. A Hilux, there you go. I think that is an AE86 up there, isn't it? AE86, cool. S15, S15, nice touch. Look at all these wheels as well. That's crazy. Ryan, Rob, set for your 350. These Works ones. They're nice. Yeah, work wheels always look nice, don't they? I love splits though. It's a bit bright outside. Ah, not again. It wouldn't surprise me. Suicide doors? Is that what they're called?
No, suicide backwards.
Ah.
Suicide when the front would open like that.
Do you reckon they call it suicide doors because you open the door into oncoming traffic?
Because it's fucking lethal. Passenger door stuck on the Lambo again.
Might as well take it to the scrappy at this point. What is it? Can we do the 46?
86 as well. So
yeah. We'll do the 86. Can we do? Are you bringing the 46 as well?
Yes, we are. Yeah, so we can probably just pull that one out because it's very difficult to pull.
If we could like stance it, the 86 and the 46 by any chance.
Yeah, you could do them both sort of in.
Yeah, if we have it like one there and then one here.
We'll get
can I get a shot where you pull back?
Yeah.
And I literally, it doesn't have to be like that fast, you just literally pulling up.
Yeah.
So if like you pull up to maybe just before the slope here. So here's the AE86 proper drift spec. Was in Ireland for the LZ World Tour, wasn't it? Marvin, clear sign there, proper drift boy. You just stand still for a second, didn't you?
Get my sweaty face off that GoPro.
Yeah, so as I get to like fairly close, it doesn't have to be exact, but like once you see me come close, then pull out and just go.